Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our very Swiss day. Today, we started with Swiss yogurt, then we're going paragliding. If we survive, big if, then we will take a funicular and hike for 6 hours down the Swiss Alps. After that, we'll have some melted cheese, because Switzerland, and we'll finish with a chocolate workshop. Are you excited, babe?
Yeah, but right now I'm mostly panicked. So ask me in like 2 hours.
All right, guys, let's see how it goes.
So you guys know this about me, but I'm terrified of heights. And yeah, this is our starting point into that fog right there. Did you see that visibility? Yeah, it's cool. So if this is my last video, I love you all. It's been great.
Paragliding over Interlaken.
Look at this. I am flying over Interlaken. I mean, he's flying, but I'm helping.
You're flying.
This is amazing.
Yeah, can I take it?
Yes, you can.
Time to go
Wow.
much.
Oh, let's do it. Let's go crazy. I'm gonna try not to scream. Oh!
I'm sorry. That was so scary.
Guess who just went flying? Me and her and
It
me
was
and her. It was
sick.
amazing.
So much fun.
Actually a once in a lifetime thing. I wasn't sold on it. She had to convince me, and now I want to do it again.
Honestly, next level. We saw rivers, lakes, mountains. I did stalls. I did burnouts. I don't even know what that means. Is burnout a thing? I don't think so.
Yeah, she
Wild
was also
turns,
doing
and
Fast
I
and the
didn't
Furious.
die. But I was asked to stop screaming so people didn't think I actually was dying. And I was like, respect. I get that. Such a rush, such an experience though. Totally worth it.
Next up, funicular. Hey guys, welcome to the top of Paragliding. Stunning up here, and right behind us is Toon Lake. Ben's, why is it so beautiful and blue?
Because it's made of rock flour by glaciers. Fun fact of the day. You're welcome.
And over that way, we'll pan it in a second. You can see another really cool lake whose name I don't know.
Why does he put me in charge of panning? We all know I can't pan, but it looks cool. Hey babe, I like your bags.
Thanks. Go to Paxi front and back.
That is what a good husband does when you're not feeling 100%. And you might have the flu, but he's such a champ. He takes the weight for you. Hashtag goals.
This is my wife being smart, because this part gets a little sketchy. It looks like stairs, no big deal. Until you look out. I mean, it's beautiful. It's also lethal. NBD. We're wrapping up our unexpectedly 5-hour-long hike. We're both in pain, or as Lindsay called it, she wishes she had a funicular.
It was horrible. I almost died 3 times.
I'm shaking. It was intense. Off we go on the bus to the shower and then chocolate.
One shot, no shower.
After descending a casual 1,000 meters of elevation, or descension? I don't know what it's called. We're going to the Funky Chocolate Club in Switzerland, in Interlaken, where we're gonna get choco wasted.
You cut the pods of them, then you scoop the beans out, then you do a fermentation process, so you ferment them, then you dry them, and after they are dried, you sail them to Europe, or for us it's Amsterdam, where there's a big hub for cocoa. From there, they send them to the cocoa to factories. In factories, they do roasting and grinding process, and before they wrap the chocolates into packaging, there is one more tempering.
This is the pipette Edward's made. We're gonna push it down, cut off the top, and make a chocolate bar. All right, babe, how did they turn out?
Amazing. I'm basically a chocolatier. Check it
Let's
out.
see.
They're beautiful. No big deal.
Ooh, I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat all of you, and then we get really sick.
All right, you guys, our Swiss day is finally coming to an end. From Swiss funiculars to Swiss paragliding to Swiss chocolate to getting Swiss choco wasted. It's been a pretty incredible day. And now we're gonna go to bed.
No. I'm gonna eat all this chocolate.